Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are hearing me from. This is Tech Guide. This is the place where understanding is very, very easy. There is a common problem in Windows where C drive gets full most at times. In this video, we are going to learn how to free up space in our C drive. So let's go. In the search button, type file. The best match in this case is a file explorer. So we open it. In your case, you can also maximize it. You can maximize it. Then at the left side, you see this PC. At the left side, go to this PC. So we click on this PC. We open C drive. We open C drive. And then we go to Windows. After we go to Windows, just open it. Now in this case, we are going to search for software distribution. So let's search for it. Software distribution. So my own, here is it, over here. I'll click to open it. Then you see all these old folders over here. You see all these old folders. Locate download and click it open. Download. So locate download and click it. That's download over there. Your own, you will find a lot of old files over there. In my case, I have done it recently, so there is no much for me over here. Let's click on Ctrl plus A to select it. Then after that, let's press Shift and delete. This will delete the files permanently. Because they are all junk files. Hit or continue. In my case, I am done. Now once this is done, we have to open the run Windows again. That is the window. Run Windows again. So click on window. That is window plus R. You can also use the start button, where you click on the start button and locate run. Start button and then you locate run. Then you type WS reset. For it to reset it for you. If you are done, you click on OK. So this will basically remove all cache from your Microsoft Store. All the cache from Microsoft Store will be removed. Once this is done, let's go to our next step. We open the run again. That is the window plus R. Then now type clean mgr and then hit OK. hit OK. This will open the Windows Clean App utility or the disk Clean App utility. In this case, you select all, select all, select all, you select all. Look at the spaces. Even in the recycle bin, I have almost 4.01 gigabyte. Your own case may be more than mine. I have thumbnails 110 megabytes. Your own case may be more than mine. Once you are done selecting them, click OK and click delete. Click on delete and wait for it. You wait for it to finish deleting. This will free up a lot of junk spaces and you have more space on your computer. You free up a lot of spaces on your computer. Once we are done, you go to another important step, very important step. You open your run window again, that is window plus R. You open and you type, this time you type Upwix, W-I-Z, Upwix .cpl, then you hit OK. This will open up all program features. All program features will open up. So here, all the applications you don't need, you can uninstall them from here. All the applications you don't need, you can click on it and then uninstall them. But in my case, I think I need all the applications over here. But in your case, there may be an application you don't need. You click on uninstall. Okay, it seems that there is an application here I don't need. That is the carton. I don't need it, so I'll click on it and I'll go uninstall. I'll go to uninstall, go to next, and I'll uninstall that particular application. Click on finish. In your case, you may have a lot of applications where you needed to uninstall them. You do that to free up more space. Once this is done, we open up the File Explorer again. We open up the File Explorer again. We go to search button and we type file. At the top, you see File Explorer. We open it up. You see a lot of folders over here: access, download, document, videos. You see a lot of them over here. At the left hand side, you see download, document, pictures. So you can open them one by one and then delete anything at all you think you don't need. You clear it out. But I think in my case I have the important ones here. I don't need to delete any of them. So, okay, let me delete this one. I don't need to delete any of them again. So in your case, you may find a lot of files that you need to watch. When you are done, you go to document. You do the same thing towards videos until you are done deleting all what you need to delete, and until you are done. Once you are done, in fact, you will see a change in the life of your laptop, your computer. You will see a change. There will be more space and your computer will run faster. Don't forget, when you are done, you need to restart the computer. You need to restart your computer. So do well and then restart your computer. Thank you very much for watching. I believe you are educated. Try your best, like this video, subscribe and share. God bless you. See you.